Let's go back now. So where are we going?
We're going there, then back here. We're not going out of the road. I said, remember the where I go to the supermarket? So we're going there, then we're coming back.
We're going to supermarket?
No, we're just going where we go to go where the supermarket is. Then we're gonna come back.
What if somebody will kidnap us there?
No, we're gonna be so fast.
Baby, let's go back now.
Why?
Because the dog.
It's okay.
Look, going jump on the fence. Let's go back now. Let's go back na. Gas naman ang ulo. See, I told you. Come on. Baby, come. Come na, let's go back now. It's dangerous now.